studied the exterior property of a triangle, right? Now, let's see the facts about it. The first one is, are the exterior angles formed at each vertex of triangle equal? Yeah. See, we already know that every triangle has 6 exterior angles, which will be 2 exterior angles at each vertex. So angle 1 through 6 are the exterior angles. So I can say yes. Why? Because in each vertex there are 2 exterior angles are there. So those are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, those are equal. So let's see the next question. What is that? What can you say about the sum of exterior angle of a triangle and its adjacent interior angle? See here, they're asking the sum of exterior angle and adjacent angle, right? See, always remember the sum of exterior angle and its adjacent angle is equals to 180 degree because they form a linear phase. You can look at this diagram. Yeah. Next one. The next question is, can the exterior angle of a triangle be a straight angle? Let's look at that. See, the exterior angle of a triangle cannot be a straight angle. Why? We need to know, right? Because in the triangle, when I add all the 3 angles, so that will be equals to 180 degree. So of course, yes, the exterior angle of a triangle cannot be a straight angle. So look at this example, you can see where when I add all this angle, I'll get 180 degree as an answer. Next one. What can you say about each of the interior opposite angles when the exterior angle is? First one is right angle. See, when the exterior angle is 90 degree, which is nothing but right angle, means the sum of opposite interior angles is 90 degree, right? So which means both the angles will be 45 plus 45. So next one is if it is obtuse angle. See, when the exterior angle is obtuse angle, then the opposite interior angles can be. There are different conditions. First one is both the interior angle can be an acute angle, and one more condition. So one right angle we can have or one acute angle we can have, and one more condition is one obtuse angle and one acute angle. You can look at this diagrams. Not diagrams, you can look at this values here. 125 degrees equals to 100 degree plus 25 degree. So likewise, okay? Likewise, the values can be formed. Next one, an acute angle. See, when the exterior angle is acute angle, means both the interior angle has to be an acute angle. For that, I have taken an example where exterior angle is 85 degree, where both the interior angle is 50 degree plus 35 degree. Now, let's solve one problem. From this given figure, let's find the angle of x. So we all know, right? What is that? The sum of interior opposite angles is equals to exterior angle. So just substitute that here. So here, if you observe, only one interior angle is given, which is 50 degree. Plus x we need to find, so that is equals to 110 degree. So finally, x will be equals to 60 degree. Similarly, let's find one more question. What is that? Find the value of unknown exterior angle x in the following diagram. Now in this diagram, exterior angle is unknown. So both of the interior angle is given. So just substitute. What is that? X is equals to 50 degree plus 70 degree. That will be equals to 120 degree.